Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to see a home remedy that will help you out in controlling the sugar levels and maintain your diabetic condition, and also helps you in regulating your body weight as well, and also keeps your body healthy. So for this we need three ingredients, that is fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds and cinnamon stick. So these three ingredients will help you out in controlling the sugar levels, giving your body a good energy, detoxing your body, getting out the toxins flushed from your body, and also cutting down the fats and gives you a good immunity as well. So fenugreek will help you in controlling the sugar levels by giving insulin in a proper way. Like this fenugreek seeds will have insulin production in it. So they produce insulin naturally, and this will help you in controlling the sugar levels. So that is the reason we are adding this fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are very much useful for in digestion, and also reduces the body weight and also keeps your body healthy. And coriander seeds also help you in giving a good digestion rate and increasing the metabolism rate, like curing out with the gas, acidity, bloating and constipation problems, and also gives you a good immunity to the body. And cinnamon stick also reduces the body weight and regulates your sugar levels, and also gives your body a metabolism rate, good metabolism rate. That is the reason we are adding this cinnamon stick. So these three ingredients are very much useful in controlling the sugar levels and maintaining out with the controlling out your diabetic conditions, and also reduces your weight and gives your body a good immunity and good digestion rate. So take these three ingredients in equal quantity, like say about 100 grams per each ingredient. If you want to make in a good quantity and store it, you can take like 500 grams or 300 grams like that, but all the ingredients should be in equal quantity. So take these three ingredients in an equal quantity, add them to a mixie jar and blend it to a powder, fine powder. Now this powder can be stored in glass jar or a container and keep it aside. Now take a lukewarm water in a glass. Now add this powder for about half a teaspoon and mix it well. Now take this drink every day on an empty stomach in the morning. So this will help you in controlling the sugar levels and also maintain your diabetic condition, and also reduces your weight and also reduces the risk of getting an heart attacks or heart blockages and all. So this has to be taken consistently, regularly, every day morning on an empty stomach. So this will help you in controlling the sugar levels, and also this will give you a good metabolism rate to the body, and keeps the toxins away from the body and flushes out the toxin from the body as well. So in this way it also helps you in reducing the weight as well.